if you want free PowerPoint templates like the one you are seeing on your screen, well then just keep watching this video. This website can be used to download PowerPoint templates for free. So you can also download the Google Slides as well as the PowerPoints. And the templates that they have over here, well, these are really dynamic and a lot more organized than you would see on any other website. So the thing is that you can download one for free from this website, and if you want more free PowerPoint templates, then you'll have to register on the website and download 10 free templates each month. So that is really interesting. Moreover, if you really like this website, you can go over and you can select these plans, and then you can download as much as you want from this website. So the annual plan costs about 1.67 euros per month, and while you are paying monthly, you will just have to pay 4.99 euros. So if you just want a few templates, then the free one would be best, or you can register onto the website and get 10 more extra templates. But now let me show you the content that we are talking about. So let's go over to the marketing. On the marketing tab, you can see a lot of templates that you can use for your marketing presentations. So these all are quite interesting. So I found this one template. It's available in Google Slides as well as PowerPoint. So it has really catchy colors, and you can see that it has 58 slides, which is actually a lot. So moving on, you can see this is the type of the format, and you can download it for free. So to download it free, you will have to go over on here, click on PowerPoint or Google Slides, whichever you want, and then it will download it for you. So the download will begin shortly. You will just have to wait for the download, and this has started the download. So once it is downloaded, I'll show you how exactly it looks like, so you can have a better idea of what you are going to be downloading from this website. So here we have it. Let us open the file and see what's inside. Let me enable the editing, and now let me just put it to the presentation view so we can see how exactly it would look while presenting. So in the presentation view, this is the first slide, then we have the second one. Most of the things are quite clear, but you can adjust the fonts and everything. So these are the sort of pages that you will get in between. So it is a lot cooler than the usual normal PowerPoint templates that are already present in PowerPoint, and I'm sure you can make a lot of interesting stuff from the templates from this website.